Here's how to restore missing chat history on Messenger or Facebook in 2026. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. First, it's important to know this. Deleted messages on Messenger usually cannot be fully restored. But missing chats are often just archived, filtered, or not synced. Open the Messenger app. Tap the menu icon, then tap Archived Chats. Many missing conversations are stored here. Go back to the main menu. Tap Message Requests. Check both You May Know and Spam sections. Use the search bar at the top. Type the person's name to see if the chat appears again. Open the Facebook app or website, go to Messages, and refresh the page. This can resync missing conversations. Open the App Store or Play Store, search for Messenger, and make sure the app is fully updated. Log out of Messenger or Facebook. Then sign back in to refresh your message history. Go to Facebook Settings. Tap Account Center, then Your Information. Request a download of your messages data. If a chat was permanently deleted, it cannot be recovered. Archived chats, however, can always be restored. And that's it. That's how you restore missing chat history on Messenger or Facebook. Subscribe for more Messenger and phone tips.